to shop for me, babe.
Because I missed you.
Hello, I've missed you. Today is the last Sunday of 2018 and we're gonna spend it at church together. My favorite. He doesn't normally get Sundays off, so it's really nice when we can take advantage and go together. So after church we're gonna be shooting for the CARMEN, which yes, it's my online shop. I'm gonna turn 1 month of opening it on New Year's Day, and we're gonna be dropping some new stuff, so definitely check it out. Follow our Instagram. By the time you guys see this video, everything will be up already. I don't know how to YouTube anymore. You'll do a voiceover for me? What are you gonna say?
Hey, good morning everyone. It's your girl, Del Carmen.
I don't say that. I like the new intro. New year, new intro. Swear. Man. But anyway, maybe I'm thinking of making a video showing you guys like all of my styles for the CARMEN, so that in case you're interested, you can shop. We're going to a new church today. We're gonna go to church that my friend Ashley invited us to, and it's kind of exciting. You know, I feel like we're looking at a new home. Yeah, but I'm like so excited. Last night, tell me how weird I am. It was 1 a.m. on a Saturday or Sunday, and I was listening to worship music, and I was hella happy.
That's cool.
Yeah, like, I loved it. I have moquitos.
Good for you.
Ew, no, I actually had some.
Let me pick it.
I have a tissue. Wait, what was I saying? Oh, I suck at this.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, we're so weird, and I love it. Wipe your tears, face your fears.
Wow, that's
cute.
deep.
We haven't had our cafecito. Who the heck are we? And by cafecito, I probably mean matcha, because that's all we get.
Oh, yes.
We get matcha, pink drink, or extra caramel, frappuccino. No, I said that one.
Salted caramel?
No, because the salted caramel is a mocha. I don't fucks with mocha. A caramel frap with extra caramel and extra salt inclusions. My mouth got watery.
Yes, I know what you're getting.
Oh! So we just left church. It was really nice. We saw Janelle. Janelle, was nice seeing you, and George. So that was a nice surprise. That was crazy how we were parking and we just saw them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but it was cool, and it's pretty close to home, so it was... Transition. Yeah, so now, we got some coffees. I actually got a frap, and then Steve got his matcha. Didn't I called this earlier. I said by coffee, we're gonna probably get matcha. Probably mean matcha, because that's all we get.
Oh, yes. I know we never get coffee.
I did, not you. We're looking for a place to shoot some of the new arrivals for the CARMEN. There's only 2 like clothing ones, and then we are going to eat. It's 1 I have not
But
ate.
you need to eat. You always tell me to take care of myself. Look at you.
I'm sorry. I woke up late. I was up last night.
Praising God.
I was praising God, actually. Babe, you want me to show you some of my favorite songs?
Sure.
I am so excited. We ended up just coming to Echo Park. It's the most convenient thing and close place to us right now. Me too.
Ah! Sorry. That's gonna be stretchy.
We're kind of matching.
Green bathrooms.
There's this really pretty spot with like succulents and white walls and every basic Instagram girl's favorite picture location. That's it. So yeah, we're going there. But it's gonna be cool because actually both outfits are pretty like dark colors. If you hear very closely, you can hear my squeaky boots. So here's the very first outfit. Some faded black jeans, my black combat boots from Miss Lola, jacket is from Zara, and bodysuit is from the CARMEN. It's going to be a new arrival. And then one of my favorite pieces, this necklace. I need like 10 of them. This is the first outfit we're going to shoot.
Wow.
I'm cold.
Oh.
The past 2 hours were not the best for me because I was very moody, very hangry. And you know when you guys have like certain pictures in mind and then like your outfit isn't on point or like the location is like not the best? So that's what was going down. But now we're here at a trampoline spot. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. It's my niece's little birthday party and we just want to like have fun.
Yeah.
And just enjoy the moment.
Jump around.
And eat.
Oh, yeah.
So that's kind of what's going on. Maybe I'll get a little bit of footage, but if not, happy birthday, Zoe.
Oh.
Love you. Today, there's G and George.
Wait. Am I supposed to stay in my square?
No.
Or do you hop around?
You can hop. There's my sister. There's my boyfriend. Leave it. Ah! Do a backflip. Oh, Bebba's here. I have to get out. And Daddy. Go jump. Go jump. No. Go. I'm pushing. No. Oh, basketball ceiling. Yes, I already had my Starbucks. No, I didn't have a matcha. No, I didn't have a pink drink. But Milani put me on the dragon fruit. It's the mango dragon fruit with lemonade. I'm obsessed with the color, first of all. And it just tastes so freaking good. So thanks, Lani. Alright, we are here with Milani. That's my girl.
It's so sunny.
It is really sunny. We had some fried chicken sandwich. We had such a good talk.
We didn't even take pictures. That's how good the conversation was.
Well, we can still take them. Look at this place. Oh, yeah. This place is so cute. And then we have a view. It's so pretty. We might get electrocuted. Alright, y'all. Well, I am back home. I didn't vlog a lot because every time I'm hanging out with people I love, I just kind of lose track that I have a vlogging camera and I just like enjoy the moment, which I am okay with. But for that reason, I'm just going to continue to vlog up until tomorrow, which is New Year's. So, did I mention that? Today's New Year's Eve? Anyway, today's the last day of 2018, so it was so nice to hang out with Milani, and then I'm going to see Steve, and then just being around family and everyone that I love makes me happy. 2018, I grew a lot, and I am so grateful for all the good and the bad things that happened in my life because I am only seeing positive change. I may be in my feels because, you know, Mother Nature, but also because of music. So I am just really grateful for everything that happened this year, and I wish every single person the best. People that I probably may not even be talking to anymore, people that I don't even know. Like, I just want everyone to live their best life and to not let, you know, fear stop you guys. And I don't know why I feel the need to tell you guys this, but there's like a part of me that really wants to talk to you guys in a more deep manner. I don't know. I just want to have really wholesome conversations. I still don't know how to make that happen, but I see a great need in, you know, having conversations that are gonna fulfill you and, you know, encourage you, because those are the types of conversation I'm always looking for. And thankfully, I'm so thankful to God that me and Milani clicked. I feel like I told her it feels like I've known you for a really long time. And so it's just so nice to finally, like, you know, start having a group of friends that you really feel like you think alike. And I don't know. Basically, I really want to be that person for you guys. I want to be as authentic, as transparent with you guys. And just know I love you guys and I wish you the best. I really hope you guys had an amazing New Year's. You're about to see how mine goes. It's gonna be super chill, but I love just staying home. I'm a grandma. I'm at the grocery store now with Faye. We're getting groceries because we're gonna try to make the chicken gnocchi from Olive Garden. It's our favorite. Oh, it's right here. Is it the potato? With potato.
With potato.
Down. It's going down. Hey.
We get mad if you show up in my house and it's like it's all gone. And I secretly make it.
Yeah, if you don't save any for me. You're not gonna do that though.
Okay.
Because you're gonna need me to help you.
Ooh.
Spinach.
Oh.
Am I saying that right? Ooh. My mouth got watery. You're taking this. Yeah, let's buy some salad and then we'll...
Wow, you're like the only one that likes salad.
I don't like salad, but I love Italian dressing from Olive Garden. So that's the only salad I'll ever eat.
That's why I need a one day. That's why I need a one day.
We got the chicken. We got the chicken. Hey. I got lettuce, croutons, and baby spinach.
We need limones.
What?
Limones.
Limones? Oh yeah. Citrusy? Yeah?
It's a hot thing.
Do they? It's a hot thing?
It's not watermelon.
It's a hot thing.
It's a hot thing. This is a nice one.
Make sure they're juicy.
This has the juice. I like those.
Yeah. I don't know.
These are they're like babies.
They're babes. One for your babe. Babies for your babe. Ooh. We got these cute little flowers. And Starbucks for the peeps. Starbucks drinks of the year. Alright, we got Dani on the spinach, Bebe on the chicken. Now we're here warming up, well, sauteing our vegetables. It already smells good. Oh yeah. I'll link the video for you guys in case you guys want to make this at home. It's super easy. We cater. That was good. Bubs! Bubbles!
Just get it.
Oh my god,
I actually call it bubbles, bugs.
this makes me so happy. It smells so good. We did it! He added mozzarella, I added parm. So, ooh, is that a little cheese action? I'm excited. I'm just here for the video. No, I'm just here for it smells just like it. Just like it. Okay. Ready? Let's go.
Yeah. Hot.
Oh! Whoa.
That's a tea, sis.
I'm shook. Danny, try it. They made me record. We just finished watching Selena. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Good morning. Happy New Year. So it's pretty early right now. The only ones up are my dad and I. Everyone's sleeping in, which I don't blame them. But I have to be working like in 10 minutes. But I'm so grateful that today I get to work from home. I get to stay in my PJs and be super warm. So that's amazing. Also, we have tamales for breakfast and my dad is gonna make café. That makes my heart so happy. I'm not really gonna do much today. I don't feel like a lot of people do much New Year's. I don't know, but I know I need to go get tires. So that's random. I'm gonna go see Steve's family and just wish them a Happy New Year and have a super chill day. I know I wanted to launch a few things for the CARMEN today. I was wearing one of the rompers yesterday and it was super comfy. I'll try to make a video for the Carmen on this channel, but just wait. Hello fam! It's January 2nd and I didn't vlog yesterday because all we did was eat and watch Narcos.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys have a happy new year. I'm gonna try to post more this year. I really want to get to 100k. I will get to 100k. I will.
Wow.
Hey.
I believe.
Hopefully the next video you guys see, I'll show you guys some new things from Del Carmen that came in. That's all I can think of.